In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and utilize the essential features of Intuit's platform to efficiently manage your accounts and sales orders. Whether you're a seasoned professional or new to using this tool, these steps will empower you to make the most out of Intuit. Let's begin by accessing the chart of accounts. This is the heart of your financial data management within Intuit. The chart of accounts serves as a complete list of all your company's accounts, helping you keep track of every financial transaction. By managing your accounts here, you ensure that every transaction is accurately categorized, which is critical for insights and observability of financial health. So go ahead and navigate to the chart of accounts through the link provided in your Intuit dashboard. Once you're in the chart of accounts, the next step is to access and manage your products and services. This area allows you to oversee everything your business offers, whether products or services, ensuring that they're correctly listed and streamlined for your accounting processes. This functionality is key for inventory management and sales reporting. By clicking on products and services, you gain a comprehensive view of what's available for your customers, enhancing both inventory tracking and financial accuracy. Now, let's move forward by creating new items under your products and services list. This functionality allows you to add new products or services that your business offers. This feature is instrumental as it directly impacts invoicing and sales transactions. Creating new entries ensures that your offerings are up to date, which is vital for accurate sales reporting and customer invoicing. Click on the New button within Products and Services to begin this process. Here you'll be able to input all the necessary details about your product or service, from pricing to description, helping your team stay informed and updated. Finally, we conclude our navigation with the Sales Order section. This is where you can manage the orders that flow into your business. The sales orders functionality is crucial for managing customer relationships and ensuring timely delivery of your products or services. By clicking on sales orders, you can view, edit, or update orders, giving you a centralized location to monitor and manage customer interactions effectively. This helps in maintaining high levels of customer satisfaction and operational efficiency. By following these steps, you will not only streamline your accounting processes, but also enhance your ability to quickly adapt to new business needs. These features are designed to simplify the complexities of accounting and sales management, giving you more control over your business operations. So, go ahead, explore these options within Intuit, and take full advantage of the capabilities at your fingertips. Thanks for watching and happy accounting. Wow.